All right, still needs some time to dry, but we will use this as our new starting point. And the next step will be to come in and add the second layer of mountains, starting in here in the green somewhere and going up, and using the green as our base. So eventually we'll have green trees and a green mountain here with that little bit of brown hiding the background. And then maybe where we stop is just 2 rows of mountains. But we'll see. I'm doing this the wrong way. I'm doing it obviously very backwards at this point, which means a lot more work for me. But work is just work. Just another thing for us to get done. Here's my little nuthatch buddy. He is a brave little guy. All right, going back inside now, little buddy. You have fun.